Hello, to show you how you can connect your Shopify store checkout process with Subscription Flow checkout, you'll have to log into your Shopify store. Once you've logged in, you'll have to install the Subscription Flow app. This store, we've already installed the Subscription Flow app. So once the page loads and I click on apps, as you can see, installed app already shows Subscription Flow app. I will click on it. Now it will show me a customized checkout button. I will click on the button and it will direct me to provide all the information and the subscription flow domain I want the checkout to look like. I will click here. As you can see, it's asking me for the subscription flow domain. So I will copy the URL from here and I will paste it over here, and then I'll save the settings. Once I've already saved it, I'll go back and I'll view my online store. I will shop. I will add things to my cart. For example, these products I want in my cart, and then I will view my cart. As you can see, it's showing me all the products that I've added to my cart. And then here is the subscribe now button. When I click on it, it will redirect me to the checkout page of Subscription Flow. As you can see, it is a customized checkout process of Subscription Flow. I'll fake in the information to show you a test card, and I will provide the expiration date 2042 and the CVC, and I'll click on subscribe. Once I've clicked on subscribe, if the payment has been accepted, it will show me a thank you page from Subscription Flow. Thank you.